and there's a few problems with it. One of them being that the seat fell off. This used to be wedged in there and used to just hold the seat like that. But after the seat shrunk and stuff, it can just slide right out. So we either need to drill that down, or I got this new seat. It's from a lawn tractor. Got it for 20 bucks for one of my friends. And I think I'm just gonna put this on. All right, so we got the old seat off. This portion right here, which is the bottom of the seat, will fit perfectly. If you look on the underside, it'll fit perfectly on those two bars. So all we'll have to do is weld it. Finishing up the welds. Take a look at those beautiful welds. Now let's test the seat out. Oh, and the reason I got this seat too is look, suspension. It's not much, but it definitely helps. Alright, let's check the seat out. Oh, now that is comfortable. And here's another reason I got it. This lifts up. You unscrew these two. You can adjust it, and it doesn't really look like a drift kart anymore, but I think it's fun. Okay, test it out. The new seat on the drift kart, it's pretty good. Be sure to check out the other upgrades. And don't forget to like and subscribe.